Hello guys, it's me again, Sir JM. Today, let us discuss simplifying rational exponent. Now, pag sinabi nating rational exponent, these are the exponent na fraction in form. Now, to simplify this given expression, ang gagawin lang natin, we just apply also under law of exponent. Ia-apply lang natin yung mga rules under law of exponent. Therefore, let's have this number 1. So number 1, we have x raised to 3/5 times x raised to 1/5. Alam naman natin na pag ang ating operation is multiplication under law of exponent, anong ginagawa natin sa ating exponent? Yes, ina-add po natin yung exponent at kinakopy lang natin yung base. Alin dito yung base? Ang base po natin dyan is yung x. Kaya ang gagawin natin, kokopyahin lang natin yung base, then yung exponent, ia-add natin. Ano-ano ba yung mga exponent na ibinigay sa atin? We have 3/5 and 1/5. Therefore, we have here 3/5 plus 1/5. Again, ang ginawa natin, since ang given natin ay x raised to 3/5 times x raised to 1/5, ang una natin ginawa is kinopya lang natin yung base, which is x. Then, ang susunod natin gagawin is to add the exponent. Now, kung mapapansin ninyo, dito sa ating exponent, since naka-fraction form siya, we have numerator, yung 3, denominator ay 5. Sa kabila naman is numerator ay 1, denominator ay 5. Ang napansin natin dito, ang kanilang denominator ay parehas. Kung parehas ang denominator, therefore, mabilis natin masisimplify yung exponent kasi ang gagawin lang natin is ia-add na lang natin yung numerator. Okay, therefore, we have here x, copy the base again. We have here 3 plus 1, that is 4, over, then copy the denominator, 5. Again, ginawa natin ito dahil ang denominator natin ay parehas. Kaya inad na lang natin ang ating numerator. Therefore, ang final answer natin dyan ay 4/5. In number 2, okay, number 2, again, copy the base. Ano yung base natin dyan? X. And add the exponent kasi ang ating operation dito ay multiplication. Okay, we have here 3/7 plus 2/3. Okay, anong pinagkaiba ng given natin sa number 1 at given natin sa number 2? Ang tanging pinagkaiba nila, dito sa number 1, ang denominator natin ay the same. Dito sa number 2 ay different ang denominator. Kaya, kukunin natin ang kanilang LCD. Now, we need to copy our base, which is x. Get the LCD, 7 and 3, least common denominator. Okay, kunin natin, sabihin na natin, ang ginagawa natin dyan is, we multiply. 7 times 3 is 21. Ito po 7 times 3 is 21. Then, ang susunod natin gagawin is butterfly method. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 7 times 2 is 14. Now, add 9 plus 14. Okay, what is 9 plus 14? That is 23 over 21. Next, in number 3. Okay, ang operation natin dito, division. Pag division naman, ay we need to subtract the exponent but still we need to copy the base. Kokopyahin pa rin natin yung base. We have here the base is A. Then, ang exponent natin ay 2/3. Yun nasa itaas. Minus 1/2. Yung nasa baba. Okay, then perform the indicated operation, we have copy A, then multiply the denominator, 2 times 3, it becomes 6. Next, using the butterfly method, 2 times 2 is 4, minus 3 times 1 is 3. Then we have here A, 4 minus 3 is 1 over 6. Next, number 4. In this given, we need to distribute 2 to our exponent inside the parentheses. Therefore, we have here, copy the base A, distribute the exponent outside. Okay, saan lang natin siya i-distribute? Tandaan natin, pag distribute natin ito, at naka-whole number ang exponent natin, dito lang siya i-multiply sa ating numerator. Therefore, we have here 2 times 1 is 2 over, kokopyahin na lang natin ang ating denominator, which is 3. Therefore, our final answer is A raised to 2/3. Next, let's have example number 5. In example number 5, kung mapapansin ninyo, okay, meron tayong exponent sa loob at meron din tayong exponent sa labas. Now, ang gagawin natin dito, we just multiply the numerator and numerator, denominator to denominator. And again, we need to copy the base M. Multiply numerator to numerator. 2 times 3 is 6 over 5 times 7 is 35. Therefore, the answer is M raised to 6 over 35. Again, pag pwede pang i-simplify or i-lowest term yung ating exponent, we need to lowest term that. Let us proceed to number 6. Okay. Sa number 6, ia-apply natin dito yung rules ng negative exponent. Ang gagawin natin, kailangan maging positive yung exponent natin by getting the reciprocal of M raised to negative 2/3. Okay, to make it positive, again, yung last time na diniscuss natin, we need to copy 1 here over, ibababa lang natin. And the exponent is become positive 1 over M raised to 2/3. And this is our final answer. Next, in number 7 example, nasa ibaba naman siya. Kailangan lang nating itaas para maging positive. Therefore, we have here y, wala nang 1 ha, raised to 1 over 6. And last number, number 8. Again, meron tayong combination ng dalawang rules of exponent, power of a power and quotient of a power. Now, in this given, ang gagawin lang natin muna is we need to simplify yung nasa loob na expression. Yung y raised to 3/5 and y raised to 2/3. Okay, therefore we have here, copy the base, y. Then we have 3/5 minus 2/3 over, or raised to 2. Okay, then simplify. We have y raised to, okay, multiply natin. 5 times 3 is 15. Then 3 times 3 is 9. Minus 5 times 2 is 10 raised to 2. Next, ano ang gagawin natin? Simplify. We have here y raised to 9 minus 10 is negative 1 over 15 raised to 2. Then, ano ang susunod? Distribute natin ngayon itong 2 dito kay negative 1. Kaya magiging y raised to negative 2 over 15. Now, since ang ating exponent dyan ay negative, to make it positive, ano po ang gagawin natin? Okay, it becomes 1 over y raised to 2 over 15. And this is our final answer.